Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of frozen meals, exploring one of the best options you can find at your local Trader Joe's. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with Healthy Choice Cafe Steamers. Let's jump right in. Now, if you're like me, you appreciate convenience without sacrificing flavor or quality. Healthy Choice Cafe Steamers perfectly embody that balance. These microwave meals are a lifesaver for those busy days when cooking seems like a distant dream. Our star of the show today is the Healthy Choice Cafe Steamers Grilled Chicken Marinara with Parmesan. Just look at this mouthwatering dish. Grilled chicken breast, al dente penne pasta, crisp broccoli. All smothered in a zesty marinara sauce and topped with Parmesan cheese. Are you drooling yet? Because I sure am. Before we delve deeper into the taste, let's talk about what makes these meals stand out. First off, they're made with no preservatives. That means you're getting wholesome, fresh-tasting ingredients without any added nasties. Plus, they're super easy to prepare. Just pop them in the microwave for a few minutes and voila! A gourmet meal ready to be enjoyed. Now, let's talk nutrition. Each serving of Healthy Choice Cafe Steamers packs a punch of protein, essential for keeping you fueled throughout the day. With 21 grams of protein per serving, you'll be satisfied and energized without the guilt. Alright, let's see how easy it is to prepare this delectable dish. Simply follow the instructions on the package, pop it in the microwave, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a piping hot meal ready to enjoy. The flavors are bold, the ingredients are fresh, and the convenience is unbeatable. Healthy Choice Cafe Steamers truly deliver on all fronts. And there you have it, folks, the ultimate frozen meal experience brought to you by Healthy Choice Cafe Steamers. Whether you're a busy professional, a student on the go, or just someone who appreciates good food, these meals are a game changer. So next time you're browsing the freezer aisle at Trader Joe's, be sure to grab a few of these gems. Your taste buds will thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on your favorite products. Until next time, happy eating!